Today you're going to be riding the Metolius Basin. One of the organizations that takes care of this area is called Friends of the Metolius. They have an amazing newsletter. We hope you check it out.
Somebody give me a yeehaw. Oh my gosh. It's a beautiful riding day. Coming up on the flank of Jefferson in the heart of the second climb. Yeah, I didn't want to stay up there too long because I think we were all cold. The Metolius River at the fish hatchery. Wow! Leading out to the head of the Metolius. Here we are at the head of the Metolius River, where the river percolates out of the ground.